This is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we're going to do an unboxing of the new all-black Sony PlayStation 5 controller, the Dual Sense wireless controller. We're going to compare it to the white controller, as well as pair it up to an Android device and show you how to do it and see how it plays. All right, let's go ahead and test this out and see how it looks. This is what I've wanted since day one of the PlayStation 5 announcement, so I'm very curious to see how this looks. And here we have it. This is a very matte black, so I do really like the look of it. It is still glossy on the buttons, but overall this just feels good. And it looks like, even though I probably won't be able to show you, it has that little detail of all of the PlayStation symbols on the back. So really good grip to it. Let's go ahead and compare it to the white one. All right, so taking a look at these, I definitely prefer the all matte black. It just really does look so much better in my opinion comparing to the white. It just really does look better. Overall, they're both matte, but as you can see over time, this has gotten a little gray, especially with my kids playing it at times. I definitely have like the idea of an all black controller just because, again, white does get dirty. I will say, I don't know if it's just me or if it is just the wear and tear, but the black on the bottom does look slightly different too. This one actually looks a little bit lighter in comparison to this one looking darker, and it could be just because maybe the difference of dirt over time or what, but it definitely does look slightly different in my opinion. Overall though, the feel is the same, and yeah, can't say enough. Like, I have loved the DualSense 5 for sure. So let me go ahead and check this out with Android and see how it goes. All right, so now we're gonna pair it. In order to pair the PS5 controller with an Android device or a PC, you're just gonna hold down the PlayStation button and the Create button right here. So we're just gonna hold those two down. And now it's in pairing mode. So then we're just gonna scan on our Android device. Right here we have wireless controller. And now we're all set and paired. So now we have it set up, let's go ahead and test out a game. I will just go for the Super Nintendo just because it's super easy and play some Super Mario World. Now, the controller works by default on most games that accept controller input. There is an app called Octopus. If you want me to go over it, let me know in the comments section, but that basically allows you to map out controllers. It is banned from some online games because apparently like you can make it like mash button the controller, which, you know, is obviously cheating. So because of that, it isn't available on every single game, but it's available on a lot of games. Call of Duty is one, for example, that it isn't available on because of that cheat mentality. So let's go ahead and test it out. And for this game, for instance, I decided to connect it to the controller on the D-pad, but you can actually move it with the joystick as well. So again, whatever you feel comfortable with. I've just gotten so used to the joystick, it's hard going back to the D-pad sometimes. And as you can see, very responsive. It's just like second nature with the controller, so very good. I would definitely recommend this for pretty much most games that, as long as they accept the controller input, you're going to be great. I think for fighting games, this definitely is needed. And then for other games, it's definitely going to be a better off, such as platformers, and definitely, obviously, some first-person and third-person shooters. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with that. And just to be able to have controller input is such a huge advantage. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Do you like this all black look? Is it really something that's going to stand out and that you would use all the time? For me, it is a lot better than the white one. I just love the black one so much more, and it's definitely going to be my go-to controller now for sure. All right, guys, thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.
Also follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and take a look at some of the videos on your screen right now.